Now we have the 12th question. 12th question is a beam of protons with speed 4 into 10 to the power 5 meter per second enters a uniform magnetic field of 0.3 t at an angle of 60 degree to the magnetic field. The pitch of the resulting helical path of protons is close to, and the mass of proton is given as 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg, and charge of proton is equal to 1.69 into 10 to the power minus 19 c, and we have to choose from the four options given to us. Let's move to the solution. The solution is pitch is equal to v cos 60 into t, that is equal to v by 2 into 2 pi m upon EB. Now putting the values inside, we have 4 pi into 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 upon 0.3, which gives us 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter or 4 centimeters.